For years, the Spectre X360 series from HP has been one of the best convertible laptops, but with a really high price tag. And now, the new HP Spectre has been launched, rocking the Intel's first Ultra series CPUs. So the Spectre X360 has finally got refreshed, and it's a pretty simple update. There is majorly only two things new. The first one is the cosmetic change on the outside, giving it a more aesthetic design and slightly more fingerprint resistant look. And the second one is the new Ultra 7 chip inside. To be honest, this design doesn't really make much of a difference in the laptop experience, except for the improved screen usage resulting from the switch to a 16:10 aspect ratio instead of the 3:2. The webcam that sits atop the OLED display now has a huge upgrade. The 9-megapixel camera can capture 4K videos now. But the other new thing is this Ultra 7 155H chip inside. The Ultra 7 processor features 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores, along with the 2 cores NPU, which means a total of 16 physical cores and 22 threads. Okay, the Ultra 7 chip is great. It's top of the line in their Core Ultra series, just below the Ultra 7 165H. Now how does it stack up against the upcoming Snapdragon Elite X? That's a whole different story because we haven't yet seen a consumer product with the Snapdragon Elite X chip. However, what we can do now is compare it to the latest from Apple, the M3 chip, because they both come at around the same price point. If we look at the benchmarks, it seems to be almost a tie between the M3 and the 155H, as the M3 is 5% better in single core test, while the 155H is 6% faster in multi-core. So this part is only for people watching from Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and especially for Dehradun people. This laptop is provided to us by Digital Stores, which is one of the biggest laptop shop in Dehradun. Here you can find laptops from a lot of brands, including Asus, Lenovo, HP and Acer. They have exclusive brand stores, so you can get all the variants available at the best price. If you want to know more about the store, then all the details are given below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Another big feature of this Meteor Lake, by the way, Meteor Lake is the architecture name of the Core Ultra series. The big feature of this Meteor Lake is its low power neural processing unit, or the NPU. This NPU helps speeding up the AI task by handling smaller repetitive jobs. So this means the main part of the computer like the CPU and the GPU can focus on big tasks. Now the highlight of the Meteor Lake processor is clearly its integrated GPU, the fastest Intel Arc I GPU with 8 cores. Although the Gen 4 SSD in this laptop isn't the fastest model in the market, its transfer rates are sufficient. Additionally, SSD benchmarks are listed here. The other change is in the display. HP has finally stopped the use of 3:2 aspect ratio on this model and instead has chosen to adopt the 16:10 aspect ratio, making it more useful to a wider audience. This is significant because most laptop nowadays comes with this screen ratio. Now, the panel is a 2.8K OLED with 120Hz refresh rate and 100% of sRGB coverage, making it a great display for any type of workload. Color, clarity and sharpness are excellent. The only thing I didn't like is the glossy panel, but it's a touch screen and OLED, and the glossy panel is the result of these features. And as usual, you get the HP stylus with this laptop. It's the same old stylus as the one we got on the older Spectre model, so there is nothing different about it. It's a pressure sensitive one, similar to the stylus on iPads, but not quite as good. Nonetheless, it's still the best option for a Windows laptop. And do you know what is the best option for you? It's the subscribe button. So do subscribe. But I have got to address the elephant in the room. I'm not sure if it was just this unit, but the giant trackpad didn't live up to all its praises. Having a big trackpad is one thing. Having the trackpad click right, even when you are trying to click the left, is the big problem. Maybe a software update or something can fix it in the future, but it really annoys more than anything. So this lineup starts at 1,68,000 and the one I have in this video is the base model. At this price point, you get 1 TB of storage and 14-inch display. The difference between these models is just the size of the screen and the storage option. The top end variant has a 16-inch display and 2 TB of storage. At the starting price of 1,68,000, the Spectre X360 is hard to direct recommend. Yes, it is the best 2-in-1 convertible laptop on the market. It's super fast thanks to the Intel Core Ultra 7 chip, has a beautiful OLED display and a great battery life. But at the same price, you can get the MacBook Air, which performs a lot better than this laptop. It's for those people who want to buy a laptop, but at the same time they also want a tablet but don't want to own an extra keyboard. This laptop gives them ease to use. And also, if you have a lot of money and you are in a business work and you want a handy laptop that you can carry around with a touch screen and a stylus, so this laptop is for you. If you are on the line just to get a 2-in-1 convertible laptops, then you don't need to buy the high-end convertible laptops like the X360. Then just remember that some convertible laptops are very good and delivers great performance for a lesser price. Nonetheless, the Spectre X360 is a solid laptop that is great for consuming content and creating content. So let me know what do you think about this laptop, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.